Here you must be very carefully, or simple check how to open Samsung Galaxy A03, because here there is, if you are not making very careful, you can break something. So we are going to do something. We are going to unplug the battery first. We are going to unplug the battery first. I'm not going to show all. Here you must be very careful when you are removing this battery. You must be expert before you can remove this battery. Honestly, if you are not expert, try and give to anyone who is expert to remove those batteries so he can help you. I have removed mine already, so I will just, now we're going to start the main process. After remove your battery and close your phone again, you are going to use the up volume here, up volume and the power button. You must press and hold on the up volume here and the power button. Let's go. Press and hold on them. Press and hold on them like this till you see the factory reset menu. You just hold on them, they both like this. You must hold on them till the menu change. You can see now it is changed. So use the down to move and select factory reset and press power down, power, and now click on the power to reboot your phone, and also watch the full video so you can get the bypass on the end screen. Thank you for this video without PC.